Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 20. In Neglect. I walked through the orchard, noticing trees bent and broken, branches tangled like thoughts left behind. The grass grew tall where paths once led, and old tools lay rusting, forgotten in corners. I knelt to touch the soil, feeling its dryness, wondering how care had slipped away, unnoticed until now. Birds pecked and flitted among weeds, indifferent to the loss around them. I tried to prune a branch, pull a vine, restore some order, yet the work felt endless, a quiet testament to absence. Sun sank low, painting the orchard gold, and I realized neglect doesn't shout, it creeps, filling spaces where love or attention has faded. As I walked home, hands dirtied, heart heavy but willing, I understood that even a little effort can push back the slow slide of time, and small acts of care can whisper life back into what's nearly forgotten. Now listen to the poem. Orchard bends, branches stray, paths lost where children play, tools rust in corners still, soil dry, longing for skill. Weeds grow where care once thrived, birds flit on, alive, contrived. Pruning, pulling, endless task. Neglect hides behind its mask. Sun sinks gold on fading trees, quiet loss drifts with the breeze. Hands dirty, heart aware, even small effort can repair. Neglect creeps, soft, unseen. Care whispers life where it has been.